Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Friends, if your Google AdMob account is approved but Google Ads is not running on your app or games, then watch this full video because I'm gonna show you how to show Google Ads on our app and games. And I will also show you about my Google AdMob earnings with proof. Friends, if you haven't uploaded your app or games on Google Play Store, then don't worry. You can also show Google Ads on your app and games. Maybe you already know you cannot upload your game or apps on Google Play Store in free. But there are a lot of free app stores there you can upload your apps or games in free. I will teach you everything from beginning to end. So watch this full video. Before begin, make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video you will be updated. And also please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Okay, so in first open your Google AdMob account. And now click on Home. You can see here my Google AdMob account is approved. Friends, if your Google AdMob account is not approved, then Google Ads will not show on your apps or games. Friends, if you don't know about Google AdMob, then I'll tell you. Google AdMob is an advertising network of Google that's run ads on app or games. If anybody clicks on that ads, then game and app makers earn money. You can also create Google AdMob account on Google. It's free. Only you have to do is just type here Google AdMob. You can see here this advertising company is from United States. Just click on first URL. And in first you will have to sign up. Just click on sign up. And then you will have to verify with your email address. After creating account on Google AdMob, it will take 1 week or 2 weeks to approve your account. If you don't know how much money you can earn on this Google AdMob, then just scroll down and here you can calculate how much money you can earn. Okay? Suppose your traffic is from Asia country and you made Android game or app. If you made app, then just select here which category you made app. Suppose you made app on business, then let's see how much money you can earn. Just click on calculate. If your app has monthly traffic 50,000, then you can earn $1,427. If you will increase traffic on your app, then you can earn more money. As you can see on my Google AdMob account, I got traffic 91,000 and I made $1,694. You can also make lot of money on Google AdMob. It's not difficult to make money here. It's free and it's easy to make money. Only you will have to make a game and app. Making app is difficult for some people, but making game is easy for everyone. Anyone can make a game. I made some game. You can see here. Infinite Alien Space Shooter game, ABC Kids Learning game, Earning game, and Trigo Space Shooter. You can also make lot of game. If you don't know how to make a game, then subscribe our channel. I will teach you everything on this channel, and also comment down below. Now let's see how to run Google Ads on my game. Just click here Add App and select Android. And if you have uploaded your game on app stores, then just click on yes. I didn't upload my game on app stores. Then I will select no. And then click on continue. Now type here your app name. I made game Kill and Earn. Then just click here Add App. Here we go. You have successfully added Kill and Earn app. Click on Done. And now I will have to create ad unit for this game. Just click here, add ad unit. And here you can select any type of Google ads that you want to show on your game. I am going to show video ads on my game. If you want to show video ads on your game, then just click here and type your ad unit name. And here you can enter reward amount. Then just click here, create ad unit. Here we go, this is my Google Ads unit ID. I will just copy this unit ID. And then you will have to paste this unit ID on your game or app. I made a game on GDevelop software. Then I am going to open my GDevelop software. Here is my GDevelop software. Friends, GDevelop software is a free software. You can make here lot of game in free without coding and without programming. Anyone can make your game. Friends, if you don't know how to make a game, then subscribe our channel. I will teach you everything. You can see here, I made this space shooter earning game. You can also make this type of game, and if you want to play this game, then you can get this game link in this video description box below. Just click on link and download this game. Now let's get back to the video. Let's see how to paste that unit ID on this game. If I will click on a start button, then video ads will be shown. Okay, let's see how to add a code. Just go to events and click here add a new event. Click on add condition, other conditions, and timers and time, and select value of a scene timer and type here 1 seconds and type your timer's name. Ads, add action and type your AdMob and click on load video, and then here paste that unit ID. Just copy this unit ID and paste here. Now click on OK. Here you can see in 1 second rewarded video ads will be load. Now click on add a new event, add condition and select start text. Now click on the cursor or touch is on the object. Click on OK, add action, start text and select color. Change its color red. Click on OK. If this cursor will be on a start button, then this start color will be red. Okay. Add a new event, add a condition, start text and select the cursor or touch is on the object. Now click on invert condition. Click on OK. Now copy this code and paste here. Now change its color. Click on OK. If the cursor or touch is not on the start button, then start button's color will be not change. Okay. Now click here to add a sub event. Add a condition, other conditions, mouse and touch, and select mouse button pressed or touch held, left, click on OK. When left mouse button will be down, then scene will be changed. Add action, other actions, scene, and change the scene. Here scene will be level 1. Click on OK. And here Google Ads will be also show. Click on add action and type your AdMob and click on show video. Click on OK. If touch or left mouse button will be down, then video ads will be show, and after that scene will be changed. Okay friends, first I'll tell you, this Google Ads will show only in Android phone. If I will click on preview button, then here Google Ads will be not show. Here you can see this is my kill and earn game I made on this GDevelop software, and this is earning game. You can also withdraw your earnings from here. Okay. Here if I will click on a start button, then Google Ads will be not show. Now let's see how to add a Google banner ads. Click on done. Click on add ad unit and select banner and type your ad unit name. Click on create ad unit. Now this is my unit ID. I'm going to copy this unit ID and then open your GDevelop software. Click on add action and type your AdMob and select configure the banner. Now paste here that banner unit ID and here click on yes. Click on OK. Now click on add a new event, add action and type here AdMob and click on show banner. Click on OK. Now go to your AdMob account and click on done. You can see your app earnings from here. Click on app overview. And here you can see your earnings of your game. I just added this game on Google AdMob. That's why my earning is $0. And if you want to create interstitial ad unit, then just go to ad units and click on add ad unit and select interstitial and type your ad unit name then click on create ad unit and now copy this unit ID and go to your GDevelop software and click on add action and type your AdMob and select load interstitial and paste that unit ID here. Now click on OK and now click on add a new event, add condition earnings and select the cursor or touch is on the object. Click on OK. Now click here to add a new sub event and copy this code and paste here. Now click on add action and type your AdMob and click on show interstitial. Click on OK. Now copy this code and paste here and change its object name. Select exit. Here you can see if I will click on earnings button or I will click on exit button, then interstitial ad will be show. Okay. You can also show here video ads. Only you have to do is just copy this code and paste here. If I will click on exit button, then rewarded video ads will be show. Now I'm going to export this game to show you Google Ads on my Android phone. You can easily export your game in APK file. Just click on file and click here export and click on Android. Now I will have to log in. I will have to click on packaging for Android. I can export my game only 2 times in a day. Now click on download. Here you can see my game is downloading. Now I'm going to install this game in my Android phone. Friends, here you can see Google AdMob banner ads is showing. And this is Google Video Ads is showing. Friends, if your Google AdMob account is new, then Google Ads will run only after 5 or 10 minutes using your game. If your Google AdMob account is approved, and if you added Google Ads on your game, then you will have to play your game 20 to 30 minutes. After that, Google Ads will run on your game. Friends, I hope this video is helpful for you. Please subscribe our channel, and if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. I'll see you in next video.